At first, fly ash or sand are grinded through ball mill and made up into slurry stored in slurry tank. The concrete and quicklime are transported into silo for storage. The raw materials which are prepared are measured through electronic powder scale and electronic slurry scale, and then transported to pouring mixer for high-speed mixing. The measurement is controlled by PLC. The mixed slurry is poured into mold by lifting arm from mixer. The poured mold is vibrated by the bubble process machine to remove the air bubbles produced in pouring. Meanwhile, the oiled empty mold is conveyed by the ferry trolley to the site under the pouring mixer for the next pouring. The mold where the air bubbles are removed is conveyed by friction wheel on the trolley and transferred by the trolley on the rail for pre-curing. Meanwhile, the body which will be cut is conveyed to the rail together with mold. As the mold is conveyed to the site under the overturning lifter, it will be automatically positioned. The mold is hoisted by the overturning lifter and conveyed to the working position of cutting machine. The mold is turned 90 degrees by the overturning lifter and put on the platform of the first trolley of cutting machine. The empty molds are marshaled and conveyed by the overturning lifter to the return rail for oiling. The bodies carried by the first trolley is cut in horizontal direction and passed through the milling slot and conveyed to the position for vertical cutting. When the bodies are cut in vertical direction, the air cylinder tension device is swung back and forth. After vertical cutting is finished, the second trolley carries the body together with the side plate to the site under the semi-finished product lifter. The bodies after cutting are conveyed by the semi-finished product lifter to the overturning table for wastes removal. The wastes on the top and the bottom of bodies are removed by the overturning table. Then the bodies are conveyed to the hardening trolley for grouping. Meanwhile, the semi-finished product lifter carries the empty side plate to the rail and the side plate returns back to the mold position. The hardening trolley is conveyed by the automatic conveying device to the site under the lifter for grouping in front of autoclave. After the trolleys are finished grouping, they are entered into autoclave automatically. The finished products after autoclaving are lifted on the conveying chain and transported to the lifting platform of the separating machine. The separated finished products are lifted onto the packing line for classification and packaging. The packaged finished products are transported by the fork truck to the finished products storage yard. The whole process of production repeats continuously the above said production flow.